Do you believe that Q4 2022 holds promise for Tesla in the face of rumors and gloomy comments from detractors? Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, thinks the company is doing well in Q4. The final quarter of 2022 holds a lot of exciting plans for the EV company. This is one that you really wouldn't want to miss. During the company's Q3 results call in mid-October, Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated, "We're looking forward to a record-breaking Q4. The expectations of the Tesla community, which includes the management of Tesla, are very high for Q4 2022. It's really knocking on wood as our factories ramp up for a record-breaking Q4. We appear to be in for an incredible year-end," Musk said. The billionaire businessman clarified that Giga Berlin is ramping up quickly and reached a new milestone in production, producing 2,000 high-quality automobiles in a week. Giga Texas is anticipated to accomplish this goal shortly. In addition, Tesla produced 3 times as many 4,680 cells in Q3 as it did in Q2. The 4,680 cell is finally gaining ground quickly, and its production is increasing quickly as well. In the upcoming months, we anticipate it to begin showing up in cars and becoming a major part of our production here in Texas, stated the CEO of Tesla. Along with the original pilot line in Fremont, Musk added that Tesla has the second generation of manufacturing equipment for 4,680 cells in Texas, which is still making excellent progress. Notably, Q3 production at the Fremont factory once again hit a record high. We plan to continue increasing manufacturing at Fremont, says Musk. When speaking about the Tesla Autopilot, Musk recalled that the business had its second AI day at the end of September, during which the Tesla team unveiled the initial version of the robot known as Optimus, a humanoid. The business also unveiled a number of enhancements to its fully autonomous software in addition to updates for its trained computer. Musk is really pleased with the Tesla FSD initiative. Our cars have now covered almost 60 miles in fully autonomous beta mode, and the distance they have covered is increasing at an exponential rate. We posted resumes with the intention of hiring on that AI day, and we've received a tremendous amount of applications from top-tier AI scientists and engineers, stated Musk. Well, it appears to have been successful because some of the world's top AI experts expressed a great deal of interest in it. Musk said, "I think it's finally become clear to the smallest AI technologist in the world that Tesla is among the very best." I can't emphasize the importance of this enough. I can't emphasize enough. We have excellent demand for Q4, and we expect to sell every car that we make for as far in the future as we can see. Musk stated on the conference call, he claims that the corporation is maintaining high operating profits and that the factories are operating at full capacity. At the same time, Musk expressed his optimism for a fantastic Q4 multiple times during the call. The Federal Reserve is hiking interest rates more than they ought to, but I believe they will soon come to their senses and lower them once more. Thus, demand is a little higher than it would be otherwise, but as I mentioned earlier, we are very optimistic about a fantastic Q4, and we plan to keep growing our car production sales deliveries by an average of 50% annually as far into the future as we can see early in October. Clan Technica published an article titled, "Looking Ahead to Q4 Tesla is Likely to Produce Positive Outcomes with an Emphasis on Tesla." Clan Technica is a US-based website that compiles news on clean technology, renewable energy, and electric cars. The report claims that there are a number of encouraging signs that Tesla will continue to grow into 2023. Experts are starting to shake their worries about Tesla after it was reported that the company intended to increase manufacturing of its best-selling model Hawaiian Model 3 vehicle globally by a significant margin in the next fourth quarter. The company's output predictions reflect an upward trajectory as manufacturing is ramping up at its newer operations in Berlin and Austin. That said, assuming the company's targets can be met as most executives anticipate, Tesla's Q4 2022 is looking rather bright. Production of Tesla vehicles in Q4 would keep the EV manufacturer on pace to reach CEO Elon Musk's targets of 1.5 million units by 2022. According to internal plans seen by Reuters, with a production increase of more than 50% for the year, Tesla would surpass the anticipated growth in the global auto market by nearly a factor of 10 in 2023. Reuters has learned from sources that Tesla intended to finish the year with a weekly manufacturing rate of 20,500 units that occurred at the beginning of October. If the business has been able to do so successfully since then, Tesla can only rejoice. Starting with an ambitious goal of producing nearly 495,000 Model Y and Model 3 units, the Q4 Tesla forecast is set. Reuters reports that around 95% of Tesla's production is comprised of just 2 models. Despite persistent supply chain challenges, a weakening economy, increasing competition, and declining Tesla order backlogs, the optimistic forecast regarding Q4 Tesla and beyond came to pass. However, there are encouraging signs that Tesla will continue to grow through 2023 that round out the picture. For Q4 Tesla, Austin and Berlin are the focal points. This is indeed the case since Tesla established additional plants in Austin, and Berlin. Manufacturing has greatly increased. The optimistic projection relies on a significant increase in production at Tesla's more recent, large and costly plants in Texas and Germany. Regarding Tesla's new facilities, it should be mentioned that Elon Musk stated both Berlin and Austin factories are gigantic money furnaces right now. The Trebriant EV company said earlier this year that during the second quarter of 2022, it concentrated a great deal of its spending on its gigafactories. It's no secret that Musk wants to expand Tesla's gigafactories. During Tesla's annual stockholder meeting, Musk expressed his belief that the company may someday construct up to 10 or 12 gigafactories across the globe. Arguments in favor of the Q4 Tesla growth estimate rely on Austin and Berlin's achievements. The production facilities will optimize the business performance, safety record, and innovation. They might also provide it an advantage against manufacturers of combustion engine vehicles. Carl Spar stated in a late August tweet, Tesla's Texas and Berlin plants will be able to produce EVs by Christmas for less money than it would take to build a comparable-sized old world. Toyota. In 2022, parity point was reached. Fear of having no resale value will probably cause new ICE sales to decline more quickly than EV manufacturing grows if Goodspar's Twitter feed is any guide. He seems to be a Tesla enthusiast. It would not be a surprise to see big jumps in output for Tesla from plants in Austin and Berlin since those plants have been running below capacity, stated Sam Fiorani, Vice President of Worldwide Forecasting at Auto Forecast Solutions. A large portion of this output is coming from Berlin and Austin, which are set to blossom next year, he stated. By the end of the year, Tesla will have 3 shifts at its facility in Brandenburg, which is close to Berlin, according to George Steinbach, the regional business minister of Brandenburg. The anticipated increase would come from producing 51,000 cars the next quarter, too. Produced in the quarter that ended in September 2023, nearly 90,000. Those seem like reasonable expectations for Tesla for the final quarter of 2022. In the upcoming months, Tesla fans have a lot to look forward to. During the Q3 results call that was previously noted, Musk also discussed 2 highly awaited Tesla products, the Tesla Semi and the Tesla Cybertruck. December 1st is when the Tesla Semi, a fully electric semi-truck with active safety measures, a long range, and a roomy interior built for optimal safety, is supposed to be delivered. Musk even declared he would personally be present when the first semi-commercial vehicles were delivered to Pepsi. In addition, his goal is to produce 50,000 units in North America by 2024. We will begin ramping up production of the Tesla Semi, which is a max-load heavy truck that's a class of truck, Musk said. We'll be ramping up semi-production through next year. We're still on track to enter early production middle of next year, stated Lars Moravi, Tesla's head of engineering, in reference to the highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck. We're nearing the end of Cybertruck, Musk added in his explanation. At this point, we've done the engineering for Cybertrucks, and for semi-experts predict that these 2 goods, in addition to the public's current Tesla models, will help Tesla grow even further. Furthermore, Tesla has been diligently developing the Tesla Robotaxi and the Tesla Full Self-Driving, or FSD, technology. It's feasible that Tesla will announce absurd Q4 earnings if everything at the EV company goes according to plan from now on. To get more content about Tesla stocks, subscribe to this channel.